Okay, before I start AI class, I want to wrap up the Google Sheets and editor, regular expression something. So here, I opened Windows CMD, and you may be familiar with path. So when I type path, it shows like that. It's so messy. I will copy this one to Visual Studio Code and I will paste it here. So here I got that, and I want to word wrap so I can see everything. So here I want to separate this each path by, yes, this one is separated by semicolon. So I want to separate it to a new line. How can I do that? Ctrl H and click this one. You can press Alt R, and I want semicolon to a new line. So in Windows, new line is NR, but in Linux or Mac, they use just R, backslash R. So I will do replace all, Control Alt Enter, or click this button. So I changed everything. Oh, I don't need NR. Okay. So I will do undo here. Windows is changed slightly. Okay. Yes. I just need N. So here you can find everything. So when you need this technique, don't forget to use regular expression. And let's go back to the census3 file where we used in day 2. Here's the census data, and I want to open it in Visual Studio Code again. Okay. So you can remember that we added double quotation here and made a insert statements. Today I will show a little bit different one. So I will change everything here as comma to tab. Okay, Control Alt Enter to apply everything, and I press Control A, Control C, and I will open a new sheet here. Okay, I don't need that. I will open a new sheet here. Oops, sorry. Yes, and I will make a new sheet. And I paste everything here, Ctrl V. Yes, it's network, slow network, so it'll take a time. What I'm trying to is, yes, wait, it's because the network issue and the data is really big here. So yes, this one is big, as you know. Yes, it's copied and still copying. And by doing this, you can copy and paste those things at here. So I want to change these things to insert statements, but not with regular expression. Sometimes they are missing some values here. So for example, they are missing here. And you can see that, let's assume that we don't have this value, and we don't have this value also. So in this case, you can see the I'm not sure where can I see the word wrap. No, tabs. So actually, I use that in Notepad++. That's another editor that I'm using. And when I paste it here, you can see there's a tab. So before it was like a comma, right? So that was all tab was comma before. Yes. So we got this one, comma, means that that's null value. It's missing. So in that case, you cannot find that easily. So we can, oh, and also if you want to replace something at here, so if you want to see that and change, yes, I know you can do that by Python or some other language, you can do that. But if you want look and replace it, then you can do that by pasting those things here in CSV, Google Sheets, or Excel. Okay, I replaced every missing values here, and I want delete the header, and I want add comma here. I press Ctrl Alt plus, and also Ctrl Alt plus, and also Ctrl Alt plus here. So I will change this one to quotation mark here and here, and quotation mark here, and that's it. So I want put every column. Yes, what I want is making a insert statement. So I will put the insert statement the last time. So at this moment I need parentheses to open, and I want to go to there, and I put a new row in here, not this one. Put the I'm using Korean. Oh, sorry about that. Put the right here, and I put comma, and then yes. So those things, yes. So if I double click here, as you know, this is replacing every blank to parentheses. And also here, same thing, double click, and it's copying everything. So right now I'm trying to put comma here. So I press Ctrl Alt plus again to insert a column, and I put comma here, and I also press this one. So if you want to do that continuously, that's tedious thing, and in Google Sheets you can do this by macros. So let me change